Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masigari Channel, a faith healer, also bata reader. So ngayong hapon natatagan natin na nagsasabi sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is monthly gabay for the month of December 2023 for the sign of Capricorn. So, Capri, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, spirits ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ang ating mahagilap? So, guys, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalaan po kayo ng Just at Makeup at siksik-liglig na guumapa ang biyaya man ng balik sa inyo. So guys, kumapit ka na dahil ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So let's see what is the angel's messages, guys. Wait lang po. So yan na, umpisahan na natin. For the sign of Capricorn. So ano pa pinaka-mensahe sa'yo for this whole month of December? Ano kayang kaganapan sa'yo? There's a Knight of Pentacles. There's a security and a hard work, no? Ibig sabihin dito, yung mga pinaghirapan mo, yung mga bagay na pinagpaguran mo, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, there is an information na kailangan maging secure ka, no? And of course, kailangan mo mag-invest, no? Sa mga bagay na alam mo makakatulong sa in the near future. And of course, there's a Seven of Cups. There's a lot of opportunities coming in for you. And there's choices. There's a lot of choices or options. And of course, there's a Six of Cups, no? There's a past person or there's a familiarity or there's a memories, no? And of course, there's King of Pentacles. There's a secure about sa finances. And of course, there's a wealth and business and leadership, security, no? Kumbaga, masyadong protected to sa mga bagay na, or pag, yung mga bagay or material thing, no? Or like money, investment, kumbaga itong taon na to talagang may discipline, no? Sa paggamit ng pera. And of course, there's Queen of Pentacles. See? Talagang maganda siya at marunong humawak ng pera na to, itong Capricorn na to. Some of you guys, marunong talaga. Nurture sa inyo yung being practical. And of course, there's a Ten of Pentacles. There's a long-term success and long-term investment. There's a solid foundation. And of course, there's a wealth and financial security. So let's see what is the Knight of Pentacles. And of course, there's Five of Wands. So ito yung sinasabi, no? There's a conflict or competition or debates, no? Mag-ingat ka dito kasi kailangan maging secure ka about sa finances ko. Baga, mag-ingat ka sa mga guarantor, sa mga pautang, gano'n. Kasi a tendency sa'yo pa magagalit yan. Or suddenly about sinasabi sa'yo dito about sa negosyo or trabaho mo. Kumaga maraming competition yan. Kaya kailangan maging aware ka, no? So let's see what is the Seven of Cups. And of course, guys, there's the Two of Cups. So there's a partnership. So there's a lot of options, no? Maraming options sa inyo with your partnership, maraming oportunidad na papasok. So let's see what is the Six of Cups. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a Six of Pentacles. So ibig sabihin magtutuloy-tuloy about sa finances, no? Kumbaga may mga, kumbaga familiar na sa'yo about sa kung paano kumbaga kung paano mag-invest ng pera, or some of you guys may mga minana, no? Na kumbaga kaugalian about sa negosyo, ganon. Kumbaga ito yung sinasabi dito, there's a giving and receiving something by the universe na magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. So let's see what is the King of Pentacles. So there's the Moon card. There's a mystery or something, illusions, intuition. So sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumbaga about sa finances talagang may kasaganahan dito and there's a mystery behind, no? And because there's a premonitions, may mga bagay na nakikita ka na mga kumbaga at di kumbaga parang in the near future, kumbaga makakamit mo yung ganito, kumbaga masyado kang advanced mag-isip pagdating sa finances. Talagang tinitingnan mo na kagad yung bigger future of yourself, kung paano mag-invest, o paano magkaroon ng solid investment, ganun, kumbaga mautak ka pagdating sa pera, no? Alam mo kung paano mag-grow yung pera mo. So, let's see what is the Queen of Pentacles. And of course, there's a Page of Swords. See, there's a curious. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na there's a new ideas or something information na kumbaga marami kang gusto pang malaman, no? Sa pasikot-sikot about sa business, sa trabaho, and so on. So, let's see what is the Ten of Pentacles. And of course, there's that Eight of Cups. So, there's a letting go, no? There's a moving forward. So, there's a lot of disappointments, no? About sa family, about sa, kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na natatakot kang mabankrupt or something, pero sinasabi sa'yo dito na Ten of Pentacles, there's a solid investment, no? Kumbaga may pangmalakasang eksena dito. Don't you worry. There's an expansion. So, let's see what is the Knight of Pentacles and the Five of Wands. Let's see what is the Knight of Pentacles and the Five of Wands. So, there is a Hermit card. So, there is a soul searching or something, truth-seeking. May mga bagay na makikita ka, kung ano yung nagbibigay ng conflict pagdating sa business. Kumbaga, ngayon ay nalalaman mo na, no? Nagkakaroon ka ng inner guidance with your inner self, no? And because parang natatauhan ka na sa mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo. Kumbaga, ito pala yung naging komplikado sa akin. Ito pala yung naging problema. Kaya biglang kasi kumbaga, naging sobra yung paggastos ko or something, over expenses nga. And of course, parang, naging padalos-dalos, no? Parang, ngayon nagkakaroon ka ng realization. So, what is the Seven of Cups and the Two of Cups? And of course, there's a Four of Wands. So, there's a celebration, and a homecoming, and of course, there's a wedding from engagement, or something. Marami kayong collaboration with your partner, no? Meron ditong union love. There's an unconditional love, and of course, there's a partnership talaga, no? Pagdating sa business, trabaho, negosyo, marami oportunidad maraming opportunities na pasok sa inyo ng with your person. So, let's see what is the Six of Cups and the Six of Pentacles. And of course, there's some Page of Wands. So, there's a new ideas and good news and discoveries, no? Marami ka pa madidiscover na, kumbaga, nangyari sa iyo ng pagkabata mo. Kumbaga, ngayon natututunan mo yung mga bagay at nagkakaroon ka ng limitations, no? And discipline sa sarili mo, sa negosyo. And of course, parang nagkaroon ka ng kalayaan din na, kumbaga, di ba, natauhan at nalaman mo. And of course, you're also excited sa mga bagay na gusto pang matutunan. So, let's see what is the Knight of Pentacles and the Moon card. And of course, there's a Queen of Wands. So, there's a stability and control. So, ibig sabihin na kailangan magkaroon ka ng confidence sa ginagawa mo at mag-focus ka, di ba? Kumbaga, there's a premonition. Kumbaga, nakita mo na to So, kumbaga, ang kulang na lang sa'yo is a confidence. And of course, there's a determination. So, ibig sabihin talaga, meron talagang success of you or also independence, no? So, let's see what is the Queen of Pentacles. And of course, there's Page of Swords. And of course, there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big opportunity and big money coming in for you, no? Marami kang malalaman kung paano mo papapalago ang finances mo or new career, no? May bagong career daw dito or new venture or something, new opportunities na papasok sa'yo na mamamanifest mo. So, let's see what is the Ten of Pentacles and the Eight of Cups. So, there's a Three of Swords. So, kumbaga, bitaw mo na yung mga nagbigay sa'yo ng toxicities or something negativities or broken, no? Kumbaga na nagkaroon na sa'yo ng pain, something na betrayal, kumbaga, kailangan mo na i-let go kasi, 'di ba? May mga tao talagang para sa'yo at hindi para sa'yo. So, magkakaroon ka daw ng solid investment. And of course, there's a long-term success and long-term investment dito, long-term relationship, no? May pang matagalan ka dito, kailangan mo lang i-let go yung mga bagay na hindi para sa'yo. So, let's see what is additional outcome. Let's see what is the additional outcome. There's a justice. So, there's a karma, no? Kumbaga, makukuha mo ang patas na laban dito at magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan at kumbaga, balanse. And there's an equality, no? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a Seven of Pentacles, there's an harvest time. Kumbaga, see, di ba, there's a cause and effects. And of course, there's an harvest time. See? Kung ano yung mga bagay na tinanim mo, siya itong aanihin mo. Parang yun yung sinasabi dito, no? There's a result. So, ibig sabihin dito, kung hindi ka moving forward sa nangyari sa nakaraan, nandun ka pa rin sa sitwasyon na yon. Hindi ka makakaalis. Pero kung umalis ka na sa situation at of course nag-move on ka na, kumbaga makikita mo na yung sarili mo na napakalapit mo na sa success. At the same time, there's Five of Cups, kumbaga, there's a regret and acceptance, no? Ayun yung mga bagay na kailangan mo na tanggapin, na hindi sa lahat ng oras at hindi sa lahat ng panahon ay magugustuhan mo yung pinaka, 'di ba, yung mga nangyayari sa buhay mo. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na kailangan mo i-let go at mag-move on, no? And because there's a self-forgiveness, kailangan mo patawarin yung sarili mo sa mga bagay. Kasi minsan, kumbaga, sinisisi mo yung sarili mo sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi mo na naging control or something na, kumbaga naging cause and effects failure ng relationship. So, suddenly, ganun talaga or something, finances, ganun talaga. May mga bagay talaga na nangyayari, no? Ano ko sinasabi dito, don't you worry, there's a justice. Kumbaga, kung may mga tao na nakit sa'yo, na nagkaroon ng epekto sa'yo, huwag ka mag-alala, there's a bounce back. Kasi there's a Seven of Pentacles, there's a harvest time. Na makukuha mo yung mga bagay na inaasam-asam mo at talagang pinaghirapan mo. So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages. And of course, everything is okay. So, ibig sabihin dito, no need to worries. It's all working out of beautiful way. So, ibig sabihin may magandang kahihinatnan, kaya nangyari yung ganyan. So, just accept the fact, no, na, kumbaga, you need to letting go, you need to move on, no? And of course, sinasabi dito, there is some photograph, there is some memories. No, parang isipin mo na lang na parang, ano na lang yon, no? Dagdag na rin siya sa naging, parang history ng buhay mo. And of course, there's a phoenix, see? Kumbaga, there's a transformation, rising from the ashes, pagkatapos kanilang, kumbaga, madurog, so, kumbaga, lokohin, or something, masaktan, no? Kumbaga, babangon ka, taas noo, no? At alam mo kung paano ka babangon. So, let's see what is Yin and Yang Oracle card. Let's see what is a Yin and Yang Oracle card. Let's see what is a Yin and Yang Oracle card. So, there's a release. I told you so. Ano ba yung kailangan mong alisin? Ano ba yung kailangan mong baguhin? Ano ba yung kailangan mong pakawalan? Surrender, no? Kailangan mo surrender sa ating divine, no? May mga bagay na hindi natin control. And because there's a transformation. So, may mga bagay talaga na magbabago sa buhay, no? Kumbaga, in a beautiful transformation, no? And of course, there is an alchemist for ancestors. Ibig sabihin, ginagabayan ka dito ng ating spirit guides, ang ating mga gabay, nang sa ganun ay makatulong, no? Upang makaalis ka sa situation. So, let's see what is the Monsology. So, let's see what is the Monsology. And of course, there's a you are good enough, no? Sapat ka na eh, no? May mga bagay lang talaga na hindi kaya makontento. Ganun talaga. And you're very close to achieve your goal, no? Napakalapit mo na para matupad yung mga pangarap mo. May mga bagay lang talaga na hindi mo pala kasama dun sa pangarap na yon, na hanggang dun lang pala siya. No? Kumbaga sa chapter ng buhay natin o sa libro ng buhay natin, kumbaga may mga tao talaga na mag-e-end dun sa situation na yun, or sa chapter na yon. No? Hanggang dun na lang yung pahina niya sa buhay mo. Diba? And of course, there is a detachment from this situation. Kailangan mo nang kumawala sa sitwasyon or sa madaling salita, kailangan mo nang mag-move on. And of course, there is an eternal love. No? Mayroon ditong everlasting promises at meron talagang para sa'yo. At sinasabi dito, admit to yourself and act accordingly. No? Kailangan mong stop pretending. No? May mga bagay na kailangan maging totoo sa sarili mo. No? Hindi mo kailangan magpanggap. Just be who you are. No? And of course, the person that you're asking is about trustworthy. Siguro itong tao na kinakausap mo, yung taong binibigyan mo ng oras at panahon para magbigay ng mga hinaing mo, no? Ito yung tao na mapagkakatiwalaan mo. It's either your mother or your father or siblings or your friend, no? And of course, sinasabi din sa'yo dito, there is a water, emotions, no? Kumbaga, magiging emotional ka dito. At the same time, there's a dancing movement. Kung hindi ka gagalaw, hindi magbabago yung takbo ng buhay mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a blame. Wala kang ibang sisisihin kundi ang sarili mo sa lahat ng bagay. And don't you worry. There's a success coming in for you. Diba? Magsasuccess ka at the end of the time. Bakit ka pa dadala sa mga bagay na nangyari? Nangyari na yan. So, you need to moving forward para makita mo yung magiging kalalabasan ng eksena mo. So, and of course, there's an Angel of Strength. Para binibigyan ka dito ng lakas ng loob, no? Maging matapang sa mga haharapin mo pa. And there's a contract. So, some of you may kontrata dito or some of you, kumbaga, may tao talagang contract like a wedding, no? Talagang magkakaroon ka ng balance dito na kumbagang meron dito pagbubuklo din kayo at magkakaroon kayo ng balance with this person. So let's see what is Archangel. Ay, what is a chakra? There's a renewal. So magkakaroon ka ng renewal daw dito, no? And of course, there's a miracle. Wow, may himala, guys. No? Yung akala mong walang-wala na or something na hindi ka na makakalis sa situation, tapos bilang there's a blessing in this, guys. Diba? And of course, there's a prayer. So, ibig sabihin dito, magdasal ka lang, continue what you're doing, no? Pray, always praying, no? Don't lose hope. Kasi may mga bagay talaga na hindi mo masasabi kung paano kanila bibiglain ng, diba? Ng supresa ng kapalaran or supresa ng ating universe. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, guys, there's a book. See, I told you, yung pahina na yan, yung libro na yan, yung ganda ng istorya mo, pagagandahin pa yan. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a body work. So, some of you kailangan yung massage, exercise, no? Para ma-relieve yung stress and of course, worries, no? Additional messages for you. What is additional messages for you? And of course, there is weight of the world. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na hindi mo na kayang bitbitin. So, ibig sabihin, may mga bagay na kailangan mo ng bitawan, no? There's a let it go. And mag-set ka ng boundaries nang sa ganun hindi ka naapektuhan sa mga bagay na nangyari na. Diba? So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael and home help. So, kailangan ng tulong ng inyong tahanan or kailangan mo ng tulong sa tahanan nyo or kailangan ka ng tulong sa bahay nyo or sa inyong pamilya, no? So, let's see what is a Jesus loving quotes. Sinasabi sa'yo ni Jesus, whatsoever you shall ask, the Father in my name, He will give it to you. Ibig sabihin dito, ano man daw yung mga bagay na dapat mong hinihingi o yung mga bagay na sinasabi mo sa ating Panginoon, sa ngalan niya, ibibigay niya sa iyo ayon sa kalooban niya. 'Di ba? Kung talagang para sa iyo yung bagay na hinihingi mo, ibibigay niya yan. Hindi siya magiging madamot bagkos dadagdagan niya pa yung opportunities na yon. So, there's an angel's answer, guys, no? Pwede kayo magtanong dito, mag-isip kayo ng magiging questions niyo regarding kung ano man yan. And of course, bibilang ko ng 3, kailangan nakapag-isip na kayo. Okay, malinaw? So, bilang na tayo. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So, angel's answer, give me information. What is the answer? Meditation and bring answers. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan nyo mag-meditate, kailangan nyo magdasal, no? Kailangan yung pakawalan lahat ng bigat. And of course, listen to your intuitions. Na makinig ka daw sa intuitions mo. Yung mga sinasabi ng iyong mga gabay, either yung mga pupasok sa iyong intuitions na kailangan mong pakinggan. So, let's see what is the angel's number. Let's see what is the angel's number. There's a 4-4, I am supported. So, sinasabi dito, your angels are encouraging you to continue on your present life path with diligence and determinations, and even greater success will come in the future. So see, alam mo daw at alam daw ng ating mga anghel na susuportahan ka sa anumang dako ng pangyayari ng buhay mo. No? Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo lang daw magkaroon ng determinasyon sa ginagawa mo at kailangan mo magkaroon ng pagmamahal sa ginagawa mo. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, makukuha mo yung mga bagay na inaasam-asam mo. And of course, mag-success ka daw in the near future. Diba? Kung yung mga bagay na yun ay kung para sa'yo, kung talaga mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, at nakikita yan ng Panginoon, ibibigay niya yan sa'yo. Diba? Kasi kung alam niya makakabuti sa'yo, pagkakaloob niya. Pag alam niya makakasama sa'yo, iaalis nila yan. And of course, there's a unity. So, ibig sabihin dito, today, I bring my attention into the present moment where I become one on my inner light. As I make these conscious connections, I find myself centered in my heart and begin to glow with my own divinity. Union with my inner light provides me with a wise and stable base on which I can now live every day of my life. So, ibig sabihin dito mayroong pagkakaisa at may pagbubuklod talaga, no? Alam mo talaga at the end of the time talagang ibibigay sa'yo ni God yung mga bagay na para sa'yo, no? Kumbaga, kung alam niya sa ikabubuti mo at makikita mo ang sarili mo na magkakaroon ng growth and expansion talaga at makakamit mo yung success in the near future. So, this is the monthly gabay for the month of December 2023 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capricorn, maraming salamat po for your wonderful reading. And of course, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig nag-uumapaw man ng balik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat po guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!